Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm the creator of Friends with Flus, and I'm going to show you how it works. Friends with Flus asks you to map your connections, it simulates the flu, and then it asks you to share your finding with people that you identify as being very important to get vaccinated. Friends with Flus is Facebook connected, the first thing you have to do is log in with your Facebook account, and Friends with Flus is going to go to Facebook and find all of your friend connections so we can better understand your network. And so you can see here it's loading quite a bit of information about my social network. I have 683 friends listed on Facebook, and between them there's 10,731 connections. But that might not be so significant because I don't see those people very often. So one feature of Friends with Flus is it actually helps you identify people that you are tagged in photos with, because those are people that you probably see in your real life, as well as family members that are listed in Facebook. So I'm just going to go ahead and say select all for my family members and people that I'm tagged in photos with, because these are people that are important for the flu spread. The next thing Friends with Flu is going to do is use those real friends of mine, those particular friends, and draw a social map of my network and my connections. These are the friendships that exist in between my friends, and I'm right there in the center. I can move this around. I can zoom in and get a better idea of a particular subnetwork if I wanted to. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. But I'm just going to zoom out a bit and set up a flu spread. So the first thing I do is decide who's going to be my patient zero, and I think I'm going to decide that it's just going to be me. I'm going to be the first. I'm going to be the patient zero who's going to get the flu, and see where it goes in my network. The next thing I'm going to do is select a bunch of people that I think should get vaccinated. I'm just going to pick a few. Probably more people get the flu shot, I hope, than just this. If a user is curious as to how many people they should pick, they can see that the CDC has listed information about different flu vaccinations in different parts of the country and who gets them. And so I can kind of see, well, my friends are mostly maybe in the 18 to 49-year-old range, and I can find that by my state and see maybe I should pick more friends or less friends to get vaccinated. But for now, I'm just going to say that's good. That's my flu spread, and I'm going to simulate a flu spread with just these people. So simulating it shows me a 10-day enactment of what might happen in my social network if these people were all kind of interacting. And what I can do here is I can go day by day. I can just kind of step through and say green means susceptible, red is infected, blue is infectious, and purple is immune. And what we can see start to happen is the flu starts to spread through certain social parts of our social network, and it starts to cluster. And this is very important because these are people that are all connected. What I could do is I could drill down here a little more. I could do a few more simulations to find some of these central people. Some of these people right here that kind of really are the center of these networks. These are the people who early on in the flu epidemic got the infection. And some of this is random because the flu is random. So if you run it again, if you re-simulate this, it'll be a different set of people. But the more you try it out, the more you're going to find who these people are. The last thing that you might do, now that you've become an expert of who's going to get the flu, is decide to share this. So here is the page that gets shared to your friends, and you can say, I'm going to send this particular model that I've done to a few different friends of mine. So let's just say I know, for instance, my wife is somebody that needs to see this, and I've got a couple good friends that I know in several simulations really needed to see this, and I can send this to those people. The other thing that they're going to get with this page that I'm sending them is the latest information about the flu from the CDC, the flu news, and then also the latest podcast episodes. So this is a tool for finding who your friends are that should get the flu shot, who your friends are who are potentially going to do a lot of good by getting vaccinated. And it's also very interesting to see who makes up your social network and how those connections work and how the flu might spread. Thanks.